Chirag, you can start.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Today we are present our release plan of Group 1. Our group members are Charan Sutaria, Kabir Fahad, Shibin, and Chirag. I'll go on the vision and scope. So first of all company need to decide their vision and need to give their scope for any kind of project. In this project, we are making an application which is about like a poetry poet application. We make basically online platforms where a customer can buy poetries online and book a workshop online like that. And for that, we made a website, and for that we need to make a release plan, as you can see. Furthermore, in you we also need to design which is a pain point which directly affect on our project. So here is, you can see, there is a three main pain points. This is which is affect on our project. It's account managing, search, and security. You also see that there is a key feature of the, because customer if handle their account by their side, so customer can update their information like personal information and contact, uh, buying credit card and like purchasing information. For that, account management pain points are here is affecting search pain point. So there is a search point because it's a time saving and customer can find anything, any product they customer want. And third one is a security. Security is a like data corruption. We can have a data corruption if our suppliers can't work properly or something else. So after it, we need to make a release plan of our website or of our project. So I hand over to the Charan.
So, release plan is called as well as release map. So here you can see there is a certain kind of solution element like VPH providing to our application. So first is account management. So for these features particular, we person can customer should update their personal information. So I think it's higher than any other things like updating their preferred store and updating communication preference. So compared to that, updating preference for store and password and payment method is more necessary because a person firstly think that whatever the password of their account for and also what kind of banking or credit card or debit card they use. So I think that thing is because first, so I think I put it on a release one. Second element is the class registration. So during the registration, what kind of thing to be covered? So navigation workshop information. So any person scroll our application so they can easily show what kind of workshop we are organizing. So I think it's first priority. So we can get more customer from there. Uh, for moreover, there is a register button on homepage. So when a person who like our website, when he's scrolling and he or she want to apply on or register on our website, so they can easily register there on a homepage. And I think for a release too, I think monthly calendar filter by location or people can do that after. First priority is the registration and giving information about event. I think that thing is more priority. Next, another element is the studio booking. So for booking, there is certain I think for any particular bookshop like studio, I think at the timeline it's important. So I think it's displayed on a navigation bar. After that, I think the time slot for that particular studio is also important, so people can reach on a time. So I think weekly view and paying by any card like debit or credit, it's not more important than it. And I think the default to save preferred location, it's up to one people. So I think it's on release three. Uh, Furthermore, there is a page layout. So in the designing the page, so I think show button is important. So when people are scrolling our website, so they can easily click on the show button and they can buy your item easily. And displaying in item by 4 by 4 grid, I think it's optional. So I put it on release two. And there is a third, display all the images for each item. I think it's not necessary. So I put it on release three. So next thing will explain by Shibi.
Hi, the solution element search. So I think like the search bar is important. So I put it on the release one and the filtration. We can sort the products by each type, different product types. So those two I put in the release one, and the filter by location and filter by artist, which I give to release two, and the default to save preferred location, as the term described previous. So this I have released on the put it on the release three, and the next solution element is shipping. This I feels like local shipping option is important, and Canadian shipping option, international shipping option. This three I feels like these are the important things. So I put it on the list one. Can you turn? Yeah, thank you. And the next element is payment. So payment option, as you know, like the payment by credit option, this I have given for the release one, and the next for the next release I have given by the PayPal email receipt, uh, payment by the PayPal, and the email receipt as for the release two, and the release three default to save before location. And the next solution element is security. For that, I have given the administrator process access as the release one, and the create and publish content also. As the release two, I have given two-factor authentication, third-party credentials, and that's it. Next, I'm handing over to Fahad.
Hello. So I'm talking about a blog post. So in blog post, our release one is a blog post on homepage. So we have to add like a text. We already add some text and photos there and some other plans. So in the second elements homepage, where we release quite a few plan there. So first we add login button on. After that, then we add some events buttons, which can customer can use to get their journaling information, and then we add some customer text, which from there they can ask their FOQ questions. So in release 2, we have more than photos of gallery of customers. They have like blog post of social media and icons and new arrival view. So this is it for me. So the last solution is top navigation, where in the navigation bar we have shop link, upcoming event, books, studio time, and contact page, and which is release the about us page link.
Okay, thank you guys.